Linking your Capital One card to Cash App might seem tricky, but trust me, it's easier than ordering takeout. Let's get your money moving in just a few simple steps. First, open the Cash App on your phone. See that little profile icon in the top right corner? Tap on it. This takes you to your account settings. Now, scroll down the menu until you find Linked Banks. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it. On the Linked Banks screen, you'll see an option that says Add Bank or Card. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll be presented with two choices, Add Bank or Add Card. Select Add Card. We want to link your Capital One credit or debit card. Now, Cash App will ask to use your camera to scan the card. Make sure your Capital One card is handy. Position your card within the frame on your screen, making sure all the details are clearly visible. Cash App will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. If the scan isn't working, that's okay. Tap the Enter Card Manually link. If you chose to enter the card details manually, carefully type in your Capital One card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing zip code. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered all the information, Cash App will verify your card. You should see a confirmation screen showing your Capital One card details. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Capital One card to Cash App. Now you can send and receive money with ease.